Are you planning a beautiful baptism celebration, but need some inspiration for stunning decorations? From heavenly themes to elegant centerpieces, we've got you covered with creative ideas that will make your event truly memorable. Let's explore ways to bring charm and grace to this special occasion. Ready to dive into the details? Let's get started. How can I decorate the venue entrance for a baptism? A beautifully decorated entrance sets a welcoming tone for your guests. 1. Balloon arches. Use pastel or white balloons to create an arch with floral accents. 2. Welcome signs. Display a chalkboard or acrylic sign with a warm message and the baby's name. 3. Photo collages. Create a display of memorable baby photos surrounded by string lights or garlands. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow us for more creative ideas like these. How can I create a stunning centerpiece for a baptism? Centerpieces can be the focal point of your decoration and add elegance to the event. 1. Floral arrangements. Use white roses, lilies, or baby's breath in vases wrapped with satin ribbons. 2. Personalized decor. Incorporate the baby's name or initials in acrylic or wooden letters surrounded by candles. 3. Thematic displays. Feature small angel figurines, cross-shaped candles, or holy water bowls as part of the centerpiece. Leave a comment below and share your favorite centerpiece idea with us. How can I incorporate personalized touches into baptism decorations? Adding personal elements makes the celebration unique and memorable. 1. Custom banners. Create a banner with the baby's name, baptism date, or a meaningful quote. 2. Photo displays. Showcase a timeline of the baby's milestones using photo frames or clips on a decorative string. 3. Thank you notes. Attach handwritten thank you cards to guest favors as a thoughtful gesture. Products featured in this video are linked in the description for your convenience. What are some classic themes for baptism decorations? Choosing a meaningful theme sets the tone for a memorable baptism celebration. 1. Angelic theme. Use white and gold accents, angel wings, and soft lighting to create a serene atmosphere. 2. Heavenly garden. Incorporate floral arrangements, greenery, and rustic wooden accents for a peaceful outdoor or indoor setting. 3. Cross and dove motifs. Decorate with crosses, doves, and scripture-inspired elements to reflect the sacredness of the occasion. Like this video if these ideas resonate with you and share it with someone planning a baptism. What are some creative table setting ideas for a baptism celebration? Table settings can enhance the dining experience and complement your theme. 1. Elegant tablecloths. Use pastel shades or lace overlays with gold or silver chargers for a refined look. 2. Themed napkins and cutlery. Include embroidered napkins and decorative cutlery to align with your theme. 3. Place cards and favors. Add personalized place cards and small favors like prayer cards or mini rosaries for guests. Check out the playlist in the description for more event planning inspiration. What are some lighting ideas to enhance the baptism atmosphere? Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a serene and magical ambience. 1. String lights. Hang warm string lights or fairy lights to add a soft, inviting glow. 2. Candles. Use white or scented candles in glass holders to emphasize purity and grace. 3. Uplighting. Highlight key areas like the altar, centerpiece, or dessert table with soft uplighting. Explore the products seen in this video by checking out the links in the description. Baptism is a significant milestone, and thoughtful decorations can make the event unforgettable. From thematic designs to personalized touches, you now have a wide array of ideas to inspire your planning. Which idea will you try first? Let us know in the comments and make your baptism celebration truly divine.